You have to avoid getting a lot of loans sa pinakababa. Kasi they're still aiming for security, basic needs, kumbaga. Yun yung kailangan nila. Today, anong gagawin mo? Do not be overwhelmed with paperwork. Paperwork will not get you new clients. Paperwork is there, you spend time for it, but you should be doing prospecting, especially if you are in sales. Ken Honda is a money guy. And yung tinuro niya sa akin, isi-share ko sa iyo. Very, very valuable. In all my 40 plus years in existence, this really made a big difference. If yung pera na hawak mo in your wallet, nanggaling sa masamang paraan, may nalungkot, may nalugi, may naloko tayo just to get the money, it's a sad money. It will not go a long way. But if yung pera na nakuha mo, kahit sabihin mo na kunwari, nagbigay tayo ng discount, pero happy, win-win, feel good, good vibes. It will be happy money and it will go a long way. Let me share with you something about workload that can help. Alam mo ba, I do not believe in the educational system in the Philippines. I believe na medyo outdated na. But one thing na naniniwala ko sa educational system ng Philippines is yung subject per hour. Di ba? 7 to 8 o'clock, PE. 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, mathematics, 9 to 10, social studies, 10 to 10:30, merienda. Tinuro sa atin yan when we were kids. And that is a strategy that we forget as adults. If you are overwhelmed with your workload, you have to strategize it per hour. Monday is go to my new client day. Tuesday is go back to my old client day. Wednesday is follow up all the accounts day. Thursday is create marketing activities to create new prospects day. That's a strategy. Let me ask you a question. Yung taong bumibili ng private jet, what is their motivation? Why are they buying a private jet? What is more important to them? Time. It took me 40 plus years bago ko na-realize yun. Because dumating ako sa airport, pagdating ko doon, 3 hours early ako. Ang yabang ko pa, sabi ko, 3 hours early ako, hindi ako late. Tinignan ako ng mga tao doon, sabi, sino tong hampas lupa na to? Sir, pag private jet, hindi mo kailangan 3 hours early. Pag dumating ka, you're ready to go, you go in the airplane, immigration will go to you, and you close the door, you fall in line, wheels up in a few minutes. Because time is more important than money for them. You have to avoid getting a lot of loans sa pinakababa. Kasi they're still aiming for security, basic needs, kumbaga. Yun yung kailangan nila. Maybe sa motorcycle division, they have to identify kung sino yung kaya at hindi pa. So this is basic. Ito yung lumalapit sa akin, minsan na, Sir Carl, wala akong pera ngayon. Pwede ba akong umutang para bumili ng property, para yumaman? I tell them, don't do that. It's super risky. I could have retired at 40 years old. But unfortunately, I missed the opportunity. 2015, may in-offer sa amin, 500 square meter property. Land. 25 million pesos. At that time, mahal siya. Unfortunately, meron lang akong 5 million pesos. So we did not buy it. And fast forward today, so from 25 million with 8 million interest, the property is now 100 million. 200,000 per square. Reasonable? Yes, for that area. I remember 10 years ago, Rex Mendoza, do you know him? Sabi niya sa akin, the biggest risk is not being invested during a time of growth. And what happened during 2009 to 2019? We had a lot of developments, diba? Yung mga Fitch ratings, economy was boom. You know that kasi lumakas talaga ang sales natin all over. What's happening right now? Business strong or not so good? Recovering. I love that word. And I want you to digest the word recovering. Because what's next after a recovery? The boom. Boom. And you're gonna be here to capture the next 10 years na boom. Exciting times ahead. Hindi tayo pwedeng natutulog sa pansitan in the next 10 years. That's why I tell managers, sales manager, do not focus on ilan na yung benta mo, kumusta na yung closing mo. Focus on ilan yung kausap mo. Diba? And I tell the managers, do not monitor on a monthly basis. As much as possible, monitor on a day-to-day basis. Today, anong gagawin mo? Do not be overwhelmed with paperworks. Paperworks will not get you new clients. Paperworks is there. You spend time for it, but you should be doing prospecting, especially if you are in sales. Personally, the strategy for a successful sales process should be iba yung gumagawa ng paperworks, iba yung kumakausap sa kliyente. I've seen my co-Chinese businessman, si salesman ang lumalabas, si salesman ang nagpe-paperworks, gumagawa ng quotation, and the worst, si salesman ang humaharap pag may problema. What's the problem pag ganun? Nasa stuck siya sa problema, hindi siya makahanap ng bagong client. So I tell my clients in consulting na separate mo, let your salesman go out. Talk to clients, talk to clients. Let somebody else na sa office lang to do the paperworks. And let somebody to solve all the problems.